Jeffrey, can you spell your name again?
R-E-E-F-Y.
Okay, try it again from the beginning. J.
J-E-R-R-E-Y.
Very good. Try it again. J.
J-E-F-F-R-E-Y.
E. F. Very good. Can you do it one more time?
J-E-F-F-R-E-Y.
Very good. I love you.
Love you.
Give me a kiss.